Good day, guys. This is Trade with Maxibrainz, your favorite Forex trader. I want to teach you the basic things you need to know on trading, fundamentals trading. I want to teach you basic things on fundamental trading. I've already taught you the three type of trading approach. We have fundamental approach, we have technical approach, we have sentimental approach. Fundamental approach, this one is trading of events, trading of news. Why technical approach, this one is trading with support and resistance, price actions, with a lot of analysis like that. And the sentimentals, this one they go into the market, depends on the percentage of people buying and selling a particular currency. So now I've already told you to download the two app that we'll be using here, that is investing.com, and then another one is Forex calculator. So follow me, let's go. The first thing you have to do is what? Every week you have to check for the event we're having for that particular week. Shit. Okay. Yeah, this is an investing.com platform. So when you go to your investing.com platform, what we are more concerned are the calendar here. At the calendar and what we are more concerned. Sometimes we do check the news we are having here, like what is happening in the market, what is happening. But most of what we are concerned, what we trade more is what is here in calendar. So the first thing you have to do is when you open your investing.com is to filter your trades. You filter your trades. So here we have low, we have medium, and then we have high. Let me explain this. When you see low, and when you see medium, okay, let me show. You see what it will bring on my chart. So it brings a lot of events, more of events. And let me tell you, this one with we call this bull. This one with only one bull here. This one with two bull. They are irrelevant events. That is, they don't affect the market at all. Um they don't affect our trade. So we don't have to trade them. So we don't, in fundamental we don't trade them. So we trade only events that are what the relevant events, major events in fundamental. So you can just filter your trade, remove low, remove medium. So that we have only what? So that we have only important events in the market. So now we can see only events with three bulls. So out of this event with three bulls, it's not all the these ones stood at most market. We have what? We have some selected events that moves market. So at the end of this video, I'm going to add the events that you need to trade, the type of events that moves the market that you should be on the lookout for. So I'm going to add it to this video, the type of events you should look out for. So for instance now, so I said it earlier that at the end of every week you will go to your investing.com. Okay, let me go for that of next week. You click on okay, for instance now, this week now on Saturday, Sunday, you will check and then you will jot it down, the fundamentals events that we are having. Okay, let me go through the type of, okay, like AUD retail sales now is what is a major event, non-farm payroll now, yes, that is percentage of employment change in what in United States. So this one is what? This one is a major event. Non-farm payroll is a major event. Unemployment rate is a major event. So these are the major events we have this week. Let me go to next week. Next week, okay, we have AUD interest rate. This is a major event. We have employment change, card employment change. This is a major event. Okay, we can see holiday, Easter holiday, and then everything. All the countries are having their holiday. So these are the things you need to do. So after jotting your events down, and then you note the time that we are having the event, that's the first step. Jot the know it, and then another thing is what you should make sure you are checking this calendar, because during the fundamentals event you don't have to trade technical. It will affect your technical trading. Fundamentals will affect your technical trading. So here like this, we are having this particular event on March 19, 2020, Australia. So these are the previous events of the same currency. Okay. Um, the major thing here is that we've already note our okay. This one is in Nigerian time, 5:30 a.m. in Nigerian time. Interest rate decision card. This is 3 p.m. Nigerian time, and then so after noting it is so that's you are good to go. Okay, the next thing is what you goes to your forex calculator. Forex calculator. When you comes to what do we do the forex calculator is we use this one majorly when we are trading the forex market. So when we want to trade fundamental, I've already told you that in fundamental the best leverage to use is 1:1000 to 1:300. But if you are using 1:300, it can easily blow your account because you will be risk almost all your money to what to will be risk and then I've already defined leverage to you. The higher your leverage, the higher the risk of your money. You expose your money to the what to the market. You exposed your money. So 1:1000 is cool. It's good for what for fundamentals trading. For technical, you can use 1:400, 1:300. But fundamental, make sure you are using at least 1:1000. So whenever we're having event, for instance, now I'm having AUD event. Okay, so and then my currency account currency, we have a lot of accounts. We have some with USD, we have some with Euro, we have some with GBP, we have some with JPY, and then we have some with what card. Okay, my own account is what is USD. After clicking on USD, I want to trade AUD event. So in AUD event, you can trade any currency that has AUD pair, like AUD USD, AUD JPY, AUD card, or the one that AUD comes as what as a quote currency like Euro, AUD, GBP, AUD, like USD. Any the pairs that AUD comes as both as a base or quote currency, you can trade it. Okay, fine, let's go. I want to use what I want to use. For instance, now I want to use AUD USD PS. That's what I want to use. So what am I using forex calculator for? Okay, let me explain this to you that when we are trading fundamentals, we risk all our money. We risk all the money we have. For instance, now I want to trade a particular trade that is interest rate, AUD interest rate. I want to risk all the $50 I have. I have $50 in my account, and then I want to risk it all. I want to risk it all because like that we use it to make double or triple our money. That's what we do in fundamentals, and you'll be able to double or triple your money. So don't forget I have only $50 in my account that I want to use. So I want to calculate which lot size is compatible to use for the trade. So after coming here, I've already chosen that okay, the pair I want to use is what AUD USD. So I come say okay, let me try 1.0 lot forward. Don't forget I have $50 in my account that I want to risk. Okay, this one is 61.3. Okay, let me try 0.7. Okay, here I have 42.904 $50. Okay, let me try 0.6. 0.6 give me 36. Okay, this one is good to go for my $50 account. Why am I using you see that my required margin I have 36.771. I didn't have all the 50. You must not have this one. Your required margin must not give you 50. For a $50 account, you must have like more than up to $20 more than your required margin. The reason because is during fundamental event, the brokers do increase the leverage, increase your not your leverage, increase your spread. So the increase in spread, if you use a lot size that a required margin, that exact required margin is going to hit you out of the market. That's the reason why you have to make use of you have to have more than what you require margin, what more than your require margin in the market. Do you understand? That is if I'm using AUD USD. Okay, let me try Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Okay, let me see if I can use 0.6 here. But okay, you see this one, it requires me 66.133 USD. So that means Euro AUD is much. Okay, let me try 0.3. 0.3. And then you might want to ask that why is it that AUD USD require 0.64 and then we have 36, and then Euro AUD, that one for 0.6 lot, we have 66. Is because Euro is what is more volatile than Euro AUD is more volatile than AUD USD, and it moves more than AUD USD. It moves more than during the event. Euro AUD moves more than AUD USD, and it's more volatile. So this one I can use, okay, maybe 0.32. Let me for you to okay, I want to use this one is I can use my 0.32 to trade Euro AUD. Let me use another pair like GBP AUD. GBP AUD now. Okay, let me see 0.32. Okay, I have 39. I can just use maybe 0.28 here, 0.28 for my trading. So okay, I've gotten the what? I've gotten the margin that I should the lot size. So after determining the lot size you've used, so you've already know your don't forget the first step is knowing the time of the event. I've already know my time of event to be what? To be 5:30. So the next thing is by 5 a.m. you should already be on your what? You should already be on your MT4 analyzing, checking the direction. I'm going to teach you on a separate video on how to know the directions of a market during fundamental, how to know a fundamentals direction during the time of event. So here you've already on your market. Okay, I've agreed that I want to use AUD USD. Okay, for instance, now this is 2:29 on my time. Okay, let's assume we're having it 2:30. So we place the trade 1 minute to the event, because when it is exact time the event will move. So you will just come here for AUD USD. I said it is what? 0.60. So you will place it exactly, you will log in, you will place your trade. If it's from my analysis, if I want to buy, I will just place buy immediately. If I want to sell, I will just place sell immediately. 1 minute to the event, 1 minute to the event, 1 minute to the event. I will just place my direction, whether I'm buying or I am selling. That's all about fundamental. So you just come, you log in during time of event, you trade the event. After the exact time of the event moves, you make your own money, and then you leave the market. So fundamental is not as hard as what? It's not as hard as technical. It's not as hard as technical. So that's what we trade more in fundamental. In fundamental, we trade what? We trade we come in, we trade within 5 minutes we are through with our trading. In 5 minutes we are through with our trading. So if you have any question to this, I'm just going to join the video. I'm going to join the list of events that will be trading here. The list of events that will be trading here. Don't forget the app that you are going to use. You are using investing.com. You are using Forex calculator to calculate your what? The lot size suitable for the particular event. And then don't forget, after calculating, you come online 1 minute to the event to trade. You will have been on your trade like an hour before the event though. You just click on the trade, you enter 1 minute to the event. 1 minute to the event, you enter, you place your trade when, and the exact time of the event will move. So after the movement, you make your profit. Okay, yeah, that's all. I'm going to attach to this video a forex I'm going to send you a video of a forex trading me training fundamental, like when I trade fundamental, a video of me. And then thank you for listening. I love you. God bless you. You can get through to me through my website www.tradewithmaxibrainz.com, and then also +2348068152951, and then you can mail me ayobamiabiodun@gmail.com. God bless you. Thank you for listening. Yeah, bye.